My name is Emma Sullivan. This is for SPCE 619, Section 806, with Dr. Diana Wilson. And today's date is January 19th, 2025. One-minute timer. Adhering to ethical codes, compliance, incompatibility of personal conflicts of interest, the direct recipient, client, treatment focus on maximizing least resistedness, non-professional relationship, multiple relationship, benefit others, core principles, individuals who consent, participate, research participants, principles of moral conduct, ethics, favorite and Islamic gifts, acknowledgement and inclusion of different diversity, lifelong commitment, cultural humility, any individual or group other than third party, document the service agreement, taking responsibilities for own actions, and commitments, pass, accountability, engaging in ongoing, maintaining competence, proper transition of services, predisposition or preference bias, individual legally authorized representative, verbal agreement, assent, testifying, testimonial, acceptance and equal inclusion, ethical obligation to provide equal services, non-discrimination, client's disapproval or willingness, assent, withdrawal, upholding high moral principles, integrity, an individual receiving formal trainee, accept clients, anybody that's involved in services, stakeholders, ethical systematic investigation, research, legal frameworks and rules, laws and regulations, the assignment of tasks, delegation of tasks, providing fair treatment, past equity, to influence behavior through threats, coercion, clients and clients' rights, professional relationship, are free from non-harassment, and any individual who is overseen, trainee, supervisee, the use of others for personal gain, exploitation, accurate public statements about professional work, public statements, discrimination and prejudice against individuals, ableism, paper analyst, credit scores, plagiarism, protecting individuals' personal information, confidential, proactive actions take to minimize, continuity of services, regular assessment, performance monitoring, paper analyst, promote evidence-based, advocating for appropriate services, explaining and gaining informed consent for sharing, obtaining permission from those involved sharing services, informed consent for services, specific situations where personal information is disclosed, limitations of confidentiality, court ruling that Hyatt versus Hancock versus Avery, the federal law that protects personal, HIPAA, unethical, illegal, proper use, abuse, waste, fraud, fraud, waste, and abuse. Federal law protecting student records. Hyatt versus? No. FERPA. Recognizing individuals or groups affected in identifying stakeholders, maintaining client records, documentation retention, safeguards put in place to protect personal information, documentation protection. Landmark case Hyatt versus Wyatt versus Stickney. Wyatt versus Stickney. Proper documentation and steps taken to discontinue service, discontinuation of services, one's ability to understand treatment, risk, benefits, and alternatives, decision-making capacity, adapting service delivery to meet cultural needs of others, cultural responsiveness, proactively addressing environmental barriers, addressing interfering conditions, activities we are consistently perform with scope of competence, evaluating risks and benefits, risk-benefit analysis, respecting and acting in the best interest of the client, responsibility to clients. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 right and 1 wrong in the 1-minute timer.